Guys, it's Nathan here from Everything 4-Wheel Drive Sound and Vision, and today we have our very own 79 series Landcruiser. Now, it is no secret that the biggest flaw in the 79 series is the sound system. So we have developed not only the easiest to fit, but the best sounding solution for the 79 series. Now, what this panel does is replaces the A pillar beside the windscreen, and it gives you a tweeter mount. This tweeter mount will fit any tweeter, so it's a universal size. It lines up with the factory mounting hardware and even mounts up with the factory clips. So that is to the specification of Toyota quality, if not better, and super easy to fit. All right guys, let's take a look at how to install these pillars on the 79 series. Really nice and easy. We have our left and right. This one has already been complete, as you can see. We're gonna go through how to do this side here and how to fit them. So first thing we wanna do, obviously you've got your speakers. Today we're using Alpine tweeters. As we can see, it does not fit in the supplied hole, so we start nice and small. What you need to do is, with some basic tools, look at the cutout lines, measure your tweeter up, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut the plastic and then bend it off. So let's have a look at how we do that. First step, to the line, okay, get in there, snip. So now we've made a few snippets here up to the first line. We can go ahead and use our pliers now, and we're just gonna bend them out so they're nice and easy. Just like that. So that's one, and then we can clean that up. We can go around and do that to the whole section here. And then we're gonna do that once more to the next level, because Alpine use a really large tweeter, and then that's gonna fit the Alpine speaker perfectly. So let's have a look at that. Okay, now the first section is done. If you've got a tweeter that fits this section, you can go ahead and clean that up. Okay, so you can use some cutters or a knife or even some sandpaper and clean that level up. That's completely optional. You can leave it sort of like that, but we like to make things look nice, so we'll clean it up. Moving over to the next level now, we'll go ahead and cut that out, and then we'll show you how to fit the tweeter. Now with our cutout done, we can go ahead and grab the tweeter, pop it straight into place, line it up, give it a little push, and have a look at that. Perfect fitment. Now from the back side, we just go ahead and use the ring that comes with the tweeter that you purchased, screw it up, and that is done. And there it is, tweeter is in, mounted perfectly, and we can go over to the car and have a look at how to fit them. Okay, first thing we want to do is remove this panel right here. So we're just going to get right behind it and pop it straight out, nice and easy. Then we're going to go ahead and remove the rubber. And then we can go ahead and start removing the handle here as well. Once we've removed the handle, we can just go ahead and pop this panel right out. And then it just slides up and out towards yourself. So once we've got the original A-pillar off, we're just gonna transfer this clip. It unclips from the original panel, clips right onto your brand new panel. Run your wiring down to wherever you want it. And then we can go ahead and slide the panel into position. Line up the clips, make sure your wiring's out of the way, tidy it up. 1 and 2. Just like that. Panel is now mounted. We can go ahead, put our rubber back on. And then we're just gonna reverse the removal process. So we'll put that handle back on, put our screws in, put our clips on. And there we have it, guys. Handle is back on, clips are back in place. We have our brand new tweeter mounted. Wiring is just coming down here, so obviously you're gonna hook that up to your crossover or whatever system you've got going on. And the last panel just slides right back on, clip that right back into place, and there we have it. We've got the original pillar here, the brand new pillars right there, and that is the fitment. For the driver's side, we're just going to mimic that exact same process. It's no different. If you have any questions or you want to reach out to us, see the description below. Thank you all for watching.